Good afternoon, Scott and Melanie. Ron over here at Providence Autos with the Ceramic Ray Clear Coat Ram 2500 Laramie. This Laramie with the level 1 plus equipment is going to get you dual pad wireless charging. It is going to get you the spray on bed liner, as well as power heat, fold, and telescoping mirrors, and much more. It is also going to get you adaptive cruise control, as well as power memory seats and pedals.